Hey, what's up, everyone? Barney here. And today, let's talk about something that a lot of people are struggling with but often feel too embarrassed to mention: toenail fungus. If you're here, chances are you've had it for months, maybe even years. And I get it. You've probably tried everything: expensive creams, pills, treatments that promise the world but give you nothing but frustration. Your nails are brittle, yellow, thick, maybe even painful, and you're just tired of hiding your feet, right? Well, that used to be me too, and until I found something called Metanail Serum Pro. First off, quick but super important note: only buy Metanail Serum Pro from the official website, which I've left below in the description. There's only one real site, and that's where you'll also get discounts and bonuses. Now, what makes Metanail Serum Pro different? Unlike other treatments that only work on the surface, Metanail actually goes after the real root cause of nail fungus: a hidden, aggressive fungus strain called T. rubrum. This fungus doesn't just mess up your nails, it eats them from the inside out. And if left untreated, it can enter your bloodstream and affect other organs. That's serious. Metanail Serum Pro is a powerful formula made with premium oils and minerals, designed to fight off this nasty fungus, repair damaged nails, and support healthy skin and nail growth. You simply apply it twice a day after a shower, and it gets to work protecting your nails and preventing the fungus from returning. What I love is that it's completely safe, made in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility right here in the US. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and has zero side effects, just pure, effective results. After using Metanail Serum Pro consistently, I noticed my nails slowly becoming clear again. No more yellow, no more cracks, no more hiding. And hey, if you're still skeptical, I get it. That's why they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free, and if you don't see results, you get every penny back. No questions asked. So if you're finally ready to fix your toenails once and for all, and actually feel confident barefoot again, give Metanail Serum Pro a shot. Just be consistent. Apply it every day. And soon enough, you'll start seeing clean, strong, healthy nails growing back in. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to share today. Don't forget, the official link is in the description below. That's where you'll get the real product and those bonus goodies too. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and hit that subscribe button for more honest health reviews. See you in the next one!